Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the baryonx. I already got a little bit open, but here we're going to unbox it. Oh my god. Alright, so we all just got it out. Take this guy, out, package. We don't get the scissors. And I actually need these too. First, I'm gonna put the camera down since I don't have my stand on it. Put it right here. I'll do something real quick. So after I put the trash back in the trash can, which will take quick. Sorry if it took so long to unbox this. To unbox this guy. I'll do like a little stuff video, like do like the head. Damn it! I think it's the door. I was coming. Here, I'm gonna let my mouth go on my wall. I just want to let Rambo move. Don't go through it. Come on, come on, Whoa. No, that's the way. Finally, I can get. I have to re-upload this again. It's nice. Ching. I was gonna just do a teleport, but now, not necessary. Alright. So I'm gonna just put the camera right here. Then, so here it is. You can see it. We're gonna use the plastic knife to get it out of the packaging. Sorry it's taking so long. I'm struggling so hard just to get this guy out of the packaging. But here's the first part of it. Its body out. Jaw part out. Then it's this ankle joint. Okay, I'll be right back. Hold on. Alright, so the tail is like posable. That's the only review I'm going to give you guys. And so I'm not going to take the entire figure out of the box. Actually, let's skip this. So here it is. And yeah, this guy's cool. So review coming tomorrow because I want to enjoy this guy. So if you guys want to review, you're going to have to wait. Let me enjoy this thing first. And I'll see you next video, whatever that will be.